Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing PlayStation 5 Slim. I just bought it from Islamabad, Pakistan, and I'm very excited about it. I never had a PlayStation. I had an Xbox 360, which I purchased, I don't know how many years, 10 years ago maybe. Couldn't play online, and I generally like playing games online. So I bought a few games with it as well and an extra controller. This is the UK version, and if you see closely here, it says 8K Ultra HD 4K 120. There was a US version available as well. He actually gave me the option to either pick the US version or the UK version. The US version I think was 1,000 or 2,000 rupees more expensive than this. I opted for the UK version. I don't know why, because honestly speaking, I don't know the difference between these two. I heard a lot about the UK version in the online videos and reviews that I saw, so I thought maybe the UK version is better, and that's what he said as well. So yeah, I went for the UK version. The cost of this was 178,000 Pakistani rupees. This I checked with like 3 to 4 different shops, 3 to 4 different retailers. They gave me the same price. So as you guys can see, this seal over here, this means that this box is never opened. So I've got the scissors here, and let's just go ahead and open it. And I'll also show you the games that I got with this box and the extra controller. So yeah. Okay, let's just open up the box. So when you open up the box, there is another box inside this box. So yeah, there are two boxes actually. Yeah. So I had to take help and I've broken the box in the process. But anyways, this is the box where we have all the accessories and the PlayStation 5. It's going to be like this. So what do we get here? First of all, the controller. Let's pull out the controller. There you go. There's the PS5 controller, the all famous PS5 controller. Heard a lot of good things about it. Feels good in the hands. I've never used this. I use the PS4 controller because I play some games on my PC. This is the very first time I'm actually holding the PS5 controller. So yeah, but it feels good. We're gonna play some games with it to see how good this actually is. What else is in the box? There's a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. And then we've got the power cable, power adapter, and we've got an HDMI cable. You should be using this cable because it supports I think 4K 120 Hertz. So if your TV supports that, this cable is good. So you should be using this cable. Even if you have other HDMI cables, this is the one that you should be going with. What else is here? We've got this thing. I think this is to help mount it horizontally. You use these, the plastic ones. I'm not going to use this because I think I would be placing it vertically. So I'll just keep them in the box. And with that, let's just go ahead and pull out our PS5. You get these booklets in here in the box, and you also get, what else do you get? This is the warranty card. The warranty is not usable in Pakistan. It's not officially available in Pakistan, so no warranty wouldn't probably work here. But the shopkeeper was nice actually. He gave me 3 days of test warranty and 1 month's warranty. And he also said, if within the first year of usage, if you face any issues, we're going to help you. The DVD-ROM, I think the lens on the DVD-ROM is not working properly, then we're gonna fix it. So I think what this means is that for some of the things they are going to be helpful, but yeah, if there's a major problem, if there's a hardware issue, that's not going to be covered, because again, it's not an official warranty anyways, right? Like, so it's a local warranty. So yeah, I don't think that's going to be covered. Let me pull out the PlayStation 5 now. So this is the PlayStation 5 Slim. Let's just open it up. Yeah, opening the initial box I think was the main hurdle, but other than that, like after that, it has been smooth overall. Maybe I was trying to unbox it single-handedly, which is why I was facing that issue. But yeah, this is the PlayStation Slim, guys. This is how the device looks like. This is the DVD-ROM, and this is detachable. If you want to buy the version that's not the disc version, you can also buy the other one that's a digital version. You wouldn't have this disc, and this plate would be different, so it'll look more sleek. But I went for the disc version because it's better to have discs, right? I learned that today actually from the shopkeeper as well, because I told him I can buy these games online. So he said if you do, that's great, but you wouldn't be able to sell them, right? Like with the disc, it's a benefit because you can just simply take the disc to the shopkeeper, they can replace it for you. On the back side of it, if you see, there is an HDMI port, there is a LAN port, and there are a couple of USB ports, and this is the power port. Other than that, there's the PlayStation logo here. If you talk about the normal PlayStation 5, that one's a little taller, slightly taller and heavier. This is lighter and a bit slim as it says the name, right? They don't say slim on the box, I noticed. They had the Pro as well. The Pro was, I think, more than 200,000 Pakistani rupees. Just wanted to mention a couple of differences, by the way. So on this version, disc eject button is separate, and then over here you get the power button, and then you get the two USB Type C buttons here. I think these are to connect the controllers. And yeah, that's about it for the box. We're gonna put it here for now, and I would go ahead and show you the games that I bought with this. So, and in fact, this is the original controller that came inside the box, and I also got another controller. This is not used and it is original, so he said it's an open box controller. Now I asked him what does that mean. So he said that the box is open and the box is not available for this, but this is original, that is guaranteed, that's what he said. And yeah, it's never used. So if we compare both of these side by side, let's see if there's a difference. I can't tell a difference. I think they both look identical, and they both feel identical as well. And I think the weight is the same as well. This was 5,000 rupees cheaper than the brand new one. So I said, okay, if it's never used, if just the box is open, just give this one to me. That's completely fine. Let's just quickly talk about the games that I got with this. This is again my very first time purchasing games, like DVDs of games. A user who's never used a PlayStation before. So the first one I got is FIFA 25. It's about 10,000 rupees, 9,800 or something. The second game we got is my favorite, Tekken 8. A lot of people love this game in Pakistan, and I love this game too. I have this purchased on Steam. I play on my PC, but I had to get it for my PlayStation as well. I play with a few characters that are not available originally in the game, so I might have to purchase those characters again. Yeah, it's such a pain because, you know, you purchase something on Steam, you can't use it on PlayStation, right? You have to purchase it again. This is the one. This has to be one of the favorite games in the subcontinent, Pakistan, India. This is Cricket 24. Yeah, so I thought let's just get this one as well. These are the three games that I got. I got the PlayStation Plus subscription with that as well. So with the subscription, I think you get other games. So we're going to explore what else do we get with the PlayStation subscription. Now I'm going to pick all of this up. I'll go to the other room, set it up. Once everything is set up, the cables are connected, everything, I'm going to then turn it on and let's experience that. PlayStation 5 is over there. I set this up on this table right here. I connected it to the internet, and then currently the first thing that's happening is system software update. So it's currently updating the software, 1.34 gigabytes. So I think it's going to do 3 different updates. One update for the console itself, then the second update for this DVD ROM, and there was a third one that I don't remember, but the shopkeeper was telling me that there are 3 updates that are going to happen. So when this completes, and then I guess there's going to be 2 more updates that are going to happen, and then we'd get to enjoy our PlayStation 5. One hassle that I had to face. So the first time when you turn it on, you have to connect your controller with a wire with the USB Type-C cable. So I connected it, and when I was entering my password for my Wi-Fi, and it's a very lengthy password and a very difficult password. It has special characters, etc. I tried doing it with these buttons and it didn't work. I tried doing it with this, it didn't work. Apparently, I had to scroll through that keypad through, like, with this trackpad on the controller itself, and it wasn't very smooth. It took me a very long time. Just wanted to share with you. So yeah, that's about it. We're waiting for the updates. Once that is done, we'll start it up and show you guys. So I've set up my PlayStation 5. As you guys can see, this is the home screen of the PS. The controller is actually white. These are the covers that I put on. Let's just scroll through the menus. And you can see these are all the games. I like the menu so far. It's different from Xbox. On Xbox, you don't see these background changes. So here, if I change the game, the background changes with it. So that is something that I really like. Astro's Playroom, this is the game from PlayStation. It helps you check your controller. This is Sony's own, PlayStation's own game. All the functionalities of the DualSense controller. If you've heard the sound, right? The sounds come from the controller. and the haptics, and it adaptive triggers. So it's amazing. You see, as I'm walking on the grass, there's some sound coming from the controller as well. Just hear it out. And some vibrations, haptics. So amazing experience so far. I'll be making another video very soon, because you see this video that I'm making today is a few days after the initial one. That's why you see these games here and the stand. I'll make another video. The next video that's going to come on my channel after this one is going to be on the stand. But yeah, PlayStation 5 guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you are also a first-time PlayStation user, sure, experience the comment section as well. Let me know what video should I make next on PlayStation 5 that should be on my channel that you want to watch, and I'll make one. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.